Hi, Sam, Be Your YouTube Millionaire. Today I will show you how to replace your Cisco VIP 2T or its serial card. Okay, I use the Cisco 1841. First, you have to turn off the power first. Okay, turn off, and you need screwdriver like this. Okay, and the Cisco 1841 has two slots, slot 0 here and slot 1 over here. You can use the VIP 2T card, put here or 0 or 1, whatever you want, but right now I want to put my this one. I bought new one, and then I want to change to slot 1. The old one is bad. Okay, and this one they call console, right? Console. And this one is a FAT01 and FAT0/0, and this is an auxiliary port. So this one is use the console. You see here, console. Yeah, when you connect the console to Putty, you use the console is a cable right here, right? And connect to the key span. Okay, let me show you. Okay, here is key span. All right, the key span, the model USA 19HH, right? Okay, this one is the key span. Is connect from Cisco router to PC, your PC. Okay, and then when I remove the old one, the bad one out, and I want to press my new card to my Cisco router. Okay, this one you see here is they have two like it's a two hole here, one this side and one this side. Okay. Oh, another thing is this one is flat card. It's they have little bottom here. When you use your finger, just push, and this one is out, right? And then is you put back and like this, and then is the card is out. This one is a Cisco flat card. Is I have 64 MB, a megabyte. I believe they have is 32, 64, and 128. Okay, when you put, just put like this, and then use your finger, put back. Okay, all right. So now is I want to move my card and put in the slot here. Okay, you see two hole, small two hole, right? And just put straight. All right, and then don't forward. Okay, just put a little bit, and then until it's a lock. Okay, lock like this. Okay, and then you use the screwdriver. Yeah, use screwdriver. Use screwdriver to it's a move around. Make sure it's tight. Okay. Yeah, I use this router for a while, and then I think the card is bad, and I bought on eBay a new one and just replace, and my Cisco router should be work. Okay, like this. Very easy how to replace, and yeah, it's ready to go. This one is a very sample how to replace your serial card, or they call it WIC 2T card. Okay, thank you guys. This one is a very easy clip, show how to remove and replace the card. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you, and see you next video. Bye.